What's the meaning of cripes? Cripes. Cripes.
Cripes. Cripes. Cripes is an expression typically used as a mild exclamation of surprise, shock, or annoyance. It is a euphemism for more offensive words like Christ or crap. The word itself is believed to have originated in the United States in the early 20th century as a minced oath, or a substitute for profanity. While it can be considered slightly outdated by some, it still sees occasional use today. In essence, cripes is a harmless and relatively unremarkable slang term that expresses a degree of emotion without being overtly offensive.